By explanation, Salma has 7 strings of 10 and 7 single beads, which make 77 beads. Sonu has 8 strings of 10 and 5 single beads. That makes 85 beads. When they put together the strings and beads that the two of them have, they got 15 strings of 10 and 12 single beads. Now, 10 units is 1 tenth. So they made 1 string of 10 using 10 of the 12 single beads. So they had 2 single beads left. Now they have 16 strings of 10 altogether. 10 makes 100. So they strung together 10 strings of 10 and got 1 string of 100. Then they had 6 strings of 10 left over. Thus, on bringing together all their beads, they got 1 string of 100, 6 string of 10, and 2 single beads. That is, they have 162 beads. Addition by carrying over. On adding the units, we get 14 units. 14 units make 1 10 and 4 units. Let's take this 10 to the tens place. Look at the addition now. 4 units left in the units place. In the tens place, we add this new 10 to the 2 tens and 1 10 already there. Thus we get 4 tens. We write these under the line in the tens place. The digits in the hundreds place add up to 3. We write that in the hundreds place under the line. Thus the addition of the two numbers gives 300, 4 tens, 4 units, that is 344. 12 tens makes 100 and 2 tens. We write this new 100 in the hundreds place, so we have 2 left in the tens place. We add the hundreds. The earlier 2 hundreds and 1 new 100 together make 300. So the total is 325. Addition. Look at the following examples. Now, let us add 3 numbers. The method is the same. Start with the units. The units add up to 16. 16 units is 1 10 and 6 units. Write 1 at the top of the tens place and 6 under the line in the units place. Now add the digits in the tens place. We get 17 tens. 10 tens make 100. Write the 100 at the top of the hundreds place and the 7 under the line in the tens place. Finally, add the digits in the hundreds place. The hundreds add up to 4. Write this under the line in the hundreds place. The total is 476. Word problems. Solve the following problems. If 365 women and 276 men took part in the Clean Village campaign, how many people took part altogether? Altogether, 641 people took part. Malatibai gifted 350 books to the school library. Vasantrao gave 400 and Jayantrao 165. What was the total number of books gifted to the school library? Use the given information to prepare a word problem of addition. Solve it. Information: a tree planting drive, 345 boys, 275 girls. Problem: if 345 boys and 275 girls participated in a tree planting drive, how many children took part in it altogether? Altogether, 620 children took part in the tree planting drive.